Rustico corrosion treatment products are available in liquid and gel form. The liquid is best used in a dipping or soaking application, which is the least labor-intensive method. The gel is designed to be used in a brush or spray-on application, cleaning large parts and metal structures that cannot be submerged. Rustico really has a positive effect on the environment. It is manufactured from recycled material, and there is only one way to describe this product. It is safe. It does not affect marine organisms or wildlife, and is certified by the Air Quality Management District of the state of California. In this illustration, we are going to show how easy it is to use the Rustico product, and we are starting off with the liquid. The new product has a blue color, which after several cleaning cycles will turn green and dark. It has no fumes or odor and no disposal restrictions. This 1020 low carbon steel coupon has quite a bit of surface rust on it. This type of steel tends to oxidize quickly when exposed to moisture and/or water. We are going to submerge the lower part into the Rustico liquid and let it soak for about 20 minutes. There is no heat required. Working in ambient temperature is fine. If a quicker cleaning process is desired, the liquid can be heated to a temperature level of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, reducing the soaking time by about half. While we are waiting for the liquid to work on this test plate, let us have a look at the Rustico gel and show how easy it is to use as well. The gel has the same safety features as the liquid. We have just added a gum made by the same manufacturer that makes sugar-free products. It is formulated that it will go through any spray application. The gel will adhere to vertical surfaces and can be applied in a number of different ways. A regular paintbrush or roller are suitable for smaller areas, whereas for larger surfaces, an airless spray gun would be the most efficient and economical application. In our sample here, we are using a brush to apply the gel to the upper part of this plate, and we can see that the gel stays on the surface so that it can work on the rust. We have already touched upon the safety of the Rustico product line, but since this is such an important issue in our daily lives, preserving the environment as much as possible, we wanted to demonstrate again that there are no concerns at all in the handling of Rustico. Here the supervisor is actually washing his hands in the liquid, which is an excellent detergent. Not only does it have no effect on your skin, but it is safe to use on all metals, including aluminum and chrome. It does not etch the metal, it just removes existing oxidation without harming paint, plastic, or rubber. About 15 minutes have elapsed, and as you can see, just by soaking this plate, most of the rust has already been removed. The remaining loose deposit can be wiped off the metal. The surface is now clean and can be directly painted over. Adhesion tests have shown that Rustico is an excellent surface preparation product. In fact, it acts as a primer. It contains no abrasive active ingredients, and there is no metal loss during cleaning. We are now looking at the upper portion of this panel, the one that had been treated with the gel. Rustico has dissolved the rust, and all that needs to be done is brushing the surface with a scouring pad as seen here, and it will remove the loose rust. The gel was applied about 15 minutes ago. It retained its adhesion to the steel and had time to work on the rust. This is what it looks like after this very simple, inexpensive treatment. Wow, look at this! The upper portion of this plate appears to be cleaner than the lower one, but actually what it shows is that the extra brushing effort with the scouring pad gives the metal a brighter, shinier appearance. This steel bar is heavily corroded and has been exposed to the environment for a number of years. The gel will work great in this type of severe buildup, but it is a slightly different cleaning technique. The amount of gel used is directly related to the severity of rust being removed. On this horizontal surface, the gel is applied in a thick layer and then let sit until it changes to an all-black color. At that point in time, we know that the rust has been dissolved and absorbed by the gel and is ready for removal. Rather than using a pad, which would be more labor-intensive, in this application, the pressure washer is the ideal equipment to obtain maximum results, namely a clean surface. The treated surface is completely rust-free. This shows what a difference the Rustico gel can make. We have seen the gel at work on vertical and horizontal surfaces, using a regular paintbrush in these applications. We are now looking at cleaning larger parts, such as these severely corroded steel plates. The gel is applied as following. Here, the first coat is being applied, with a second one about 30 minutes later, and the last one after another hour. Why several coats of gel? Here are the simple reasons. First, obtain a good base that will improve adhesion. Second, the more rust, the more gel. Third, the runoff factor on a vertical surface, especially in hot weather areas where the gel thins out and extra volume is needed. The gel has turned black, as was to be expected with this heavy rust buildup, and we will now pressure wash the surface. The Rustico gel rust removal capability speaks for itself. It is highly cost-effective and can replace sandblasting wherever environmental and/or safe working conditions are an issue. We have seen the soaking of small parts in the liquid. Now we are going to observe cleaning of some heavily rusted steel. This equipment is part of an overhead crane and has obviously been exposed to the elements for a long time. First, we'll just pressure wash the surface to remove any possible debris or dirt that may have accumulated. This steel bar has been soaked overnight. Just to appreciate the efficiency of the Rustico rust remover, we have left half of this part untreated, and you can easily see what a difference this product makes. Even with the same pressure and turbo, the rust on the non-treated area does not budge. Imagine, this product removes any kind of rust and yet can actually be safely disposed of and used as fertilizer. When pressure washing this type of glass steel, flash rust will be developing very quickly. However, Rustico has a cure for this problem too. You just spray the Rustico liquid on the clean surface and wipe it dry. That's all there is to it. The surface will not oxidize. In fact, there is a protection that can last for several months, depending on where the part is stored. If a long-term protection is desired, just prime the metal and this will provide many rust-free years.